like, you love your job, you love your job. But I talk to people on the low and they'll be like, you know what? I'm going to be honest. I really wish I could have an online business, but I don't know how to tell my family that, or I don't know how to tell my friends that, or I don't know anyone else doing it. Or when I see people online doing it, it just seems so far. And I get it. It's like, it's crazy to me because I used to feel like that. Like, I used to be sitting right here actually and just be like twiddling my thumbs of like, man, I don't want to go back to like a full-time job that I don't like. And to be honest, I maybe could find a full-time job that I like. You know, the nature of the job industry has changed so much and there's like a lot, there's just more creative type of jobs out there, but I'm like now I'm at the point where I don't want to build somebody else's dream. I want to build my own dream. Like, why are we conditioned to know that we have the power to literally build our own dream? It can be, you might have a soap idea, you might have a lotion idea, you might have a mascara idea, you might have a really amazing idea for tools, like power tools. Like you could have, or you might have just a desire and like just kind of like this like excitement around selling, and you want to just sell helpful products, right? You may not want to be a professional at one product, but maybe you just want to sell to a certain sector of people because you just love it. Like you just love the thrill of selling. And like we're not trained and conditioned to like lean into that. We're just trained and conditioned to pick one thing, don't complain about it, and if you do complain at happy hour, get intake a bunch of calories, get overweight, get all these issues where you have to stay at your job because you're like, well, I don't know if I can get health insurance. You guys, I have life insurance, I have medical insurance, I have a Roth IRA. Okay, like everything that all the three things that people keep saying, and I know because that was me 10 years ago. I was like, well, how am I going to do this? How am I going to do that? And thank God, this is God was setting me up, and I didn't really realize it. So my dad, since I was born, he's been an entrepreneur. And I never thought about the fact that my dad doesn't have a boss. Like I've just known him to build businesses and work his own inside his own businesses, brick and mortar businesses. And one day, like it dawned on me. I'm like, how does my dad have insurance? Like, how did my brothers and sisters, because I was under my mom's insurance. And so my dad's insurance, I think like something sparked me. I don't recall what it was specifically, but something sparked me to be like, wait, my dad does have insurance. Like, but he doesn't have a boss. Like he doesn't work for a corporation. And I'm like, oh, you can get medical insurance. This is how clueless I was. I was like, you can get medical insurance without like being part of a corporation. And my dad was like, yeah. Like I was like, oh, I thought you like only had to have a job. Like when I was in college, I didn't know because that's all you're told. Like you only know what you're told and you don't even know what you don't know. So I just thought, okay, get a job because that's what you keep hearing. Get a job, you'll get a retirement plan, and you get medical insurance. Like they always push that medical insurance, medical insurance, medical insurance. So, and you're like, okay, well, I'll stay at this job that I hate, get stressed out, get anxiety, get overweight, get all these issues to now I have to use my medical insurance. Right? Like my mom, I mean, it's funny because I'm like headed for 40, but my mom will be like, schedule a doctor's appointment because I don't ever like feel like, I mean, you always want to make sure you get a checkup every year at minimum. But like I don't have any health issues because I have time and excitement and all this joy around living a healthy lifestyle because I'm not at a job I hate. So it's just kind of interesting. Like people, and then there's always that time of year where people get sick at the job because everybody's going around with the same bug or whatever. I the last time that's happened has been when I was at a job. I don't get sick around holiday season. I do not get sick. Like that's like, how before it's like you just already know you're going to get sick. Like it's just everyone would prepare actually. Oh, well, we already know around November time people are going to start getting sick, and then and it's busier. The stores were busier because it's holiday season, but then people were getting sick, and so then like The staff would be like stretched out thin, having to do more you guys, I could just go on and on. Like, I don't want to bore you guys with this, but like, I hope you guys get what I mean, right? And so, um, Dale, yep, dream. You want to focus on your dream during the during your 5 to 9, which is after. And here's the thing, I'm gonna be straight up honest with you guys. I stand by that, but I couldn't do that, and I knew it. I knew I was so um like stripped of energy by the end of the day that I did not have anything left in the tank to do a 5 to 9 go working on my dreams. I just didn't. I did not. And so I was like, okay, I can't live my life. Like, is this going to be my life? Like, I can't do this. So I just decided to take the leap, knowing that I could fail, but at least I had a mom and a dad I can move back in, right? I see what you guys are saying. So, bottom line is, guys, um, if you're new to my channel, if you're seeing this right now, or you're watching this on the replay, you found this video for a reason. If you don't have trust with me yet, watch the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos that I have talking about topics like this, and you will see that I'm not playing around when I know what I'm talking about, because I've done the blood, sweat, and tears. I've done the failures. I've done the get up and try again. And I'm still going through that right now, but there's some baseline things that I know, like I'm like super solid in. Um, so I want to actually show some of you guys like a glimpse into this. This is what it looks like. And again, I'll take any questions at the end, but this is how to build your own website. Okay, how to build your own website. And so this is it right here. Okay. So how to build your own website and your own digital product in a day. Now, you guys can, I'm telling you this for free, or telling you this, gosh. I'm telling you this because it's just the truth. You guys could do all this on your own for free. Like, I did it. Well, there's a couple things I invested in, but overall with this specifically, I taught myself. Okay. And so let me see here. I want to give you guys a sneak peek. And this is it right here. And so it comes with, this is the whole breakdown, okay? So this is, actually, let me show you a different way. I'm also, by the way, while I'm getting to the page that I want, I'm actually going to be sharing, I'm going to be doing a free workshop, but it will be taken down and it will be a paid workshop. But if you can catch me for free, okay, if you can catch me for free, catch me for free. Okay, so just turn on your bell notification, because I'm not going to really announce when I do it. You just got to make sure to catch me live. So, all right, this is it right here. Okay, so this is the launch in a day. This is a launch in a day. And what comes with it, you can read all about it. Now, there's going to be a launch day price. That the launch day price is already up. It's available right now, technically. The people that downloaded, remember I kept saying I have a free gift, a free gift. Not only is it 50% off right now, that reduced priced coupon also works on top of this. Okay? Now, this is all that comes in it, all this. So it's 16 modules. You're going to get 16 modules, introduction, and then it goes step by step, and they're in video form. So even if you're driving and you want to listen to it first while you're driving, like maybe you're going to work or whatever, and then when you're able to, like, this is what I would do. If I was you, I would schedule, like, take out a Saturday. I don't care if you have kids. Look, I have nieces and nephews. When I visit my My brother, I'm a very active aunt, okay? I literally watch I literally, Lisa, I literally watch them, like, by myself or with my mom. I know how difficult kids are. Like, I'm like, it's not like I'm there and I'm like, "Oh, kissy, 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 how cute," and then I, like, go and do what I want. No, I'll watch the kids. I get it. Toddlers are the most fascinating, amazing, loving, turned up creatures I've ever, um, encountered. But tell your partner, tell your sister, I don't if you're a single parent, I don't do this for them. If you've been wanting to start your own online business, I'm showing you how to do it and you can do it in one day. Okay? Schedule a babysitter, get grandma, get grandpa, get a whole village to watch your children, okay? And take out one whole day and act like you're going to a workshop. Go to a coffee shop, go to the public free library, go to the park in your car, sit in there. Like, there's no excuses. And I know being more direct with this because it's the truth. Like, you gotta really want it. And if you want to actually give yourself an opportunity to quit your job, fire your job, okay? Now you could want to do both. Like, you could have your job where you have your 9 to 5, but then your extra money from building your own website and your own digital product from things you guys are already giving out free information. And when I already knew that about myself too, but I was like, I just didn't feel good enough. I did not feel good enough. Like, I felt like, who am I to have anything bought from me? Like, who would want to buy something from me? Right? Like, I don't have this big MD name on the end, or, doctorate on the end, or I'm not a PhD, right? Like, I just felt like it was like I was putting a mental cap on myself because of the conditioning of, like, the way that the school system is taught. You guys, you don't need a fancy website. You guys, this is my website. This is on my website right now, embodypursuit.com. I teach you how to do all of this in one day. This is my website. I created this website on my own, uploaded the images, put the words in here, put the pricing in here, created the modules. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like when you actually become a student. I want to show you what it looks like. Now, it's so easy. You guys know how I talk, right? Like, how I am with you guys on here, that it's the same way. Like, it's chill, it's relaxed, it's easy. It's like, I really want, it's I can